Guys, tutorial tayo guys ang makina guys. Dito tayo guys, una guys, natin yung makina guys. Natin ayun pala, bubuksan natin ito guys. Yan guys, lagyan natin ng susi guys, tapos chop natin guys. Ito yung susi nya, yung bao, yung turtor nya. Okay. Guys, kumandar natin Mercury. Wala ano. Quiet ah. Success.